Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm just walking and I just thought to show you the view, the weather here. I'm in the Fagu. The Fagu name, why? Because there is always some fog here. It's not very cold here, but still you can see so much fog. And this is Camp Nomad. You can do camping here. There are tents like these, and I am living at the top of the mountain. This hill, top of the hill, looks amazing. The umbrella is very big, so I'll again show you the view once sunshine comes back and it's not raining anymore. Let me show you the tent from inside. See, I'm living here. Oh, ignore the mess. And we have a attached shower also here. See, all furnished, well furnished with the tiles. This is kind of a different video because I'm not showing the roads. I'm just showing you the location. And this area here is also very good. Swing, you can swing over here. Wow, such a nice painting. Here is one dog living here. The name is Coco. I'll show once I see the Coco. And this is the top of the hill. From here you can see three sides of the hill. Basically all four sides, but the valley is on three sides. Looks amazing. So rain has just stopped and you can see the fog flowing from over the top of the hill. And this is Kap Miloge. The camp name is Camp Nomad. And here you can order your snacks, whatever you like. Let me show you the menu also. See all the beautiful artwork here. And this is a washroom, and most of the tents have washroom inside, as I have shown you. And this is a small shortcut, and these are the fields over here. Oh my god, see the view, looks amazing. Once in a lifetime experience. You come here for the first time, you will enjoy all the weather here. Especially if you come in the summers. You'll see rainy season, you'll see very harsh sunlight, you will see fog, you will experience the cold weather also, all in a single day. And let me show you the valley also. It's all clear now. I'll go up from here. Bring some waterproof shoes over here, because if you are walking in the rains, then you would need one. Otherwise your socks will be all wet, and if it's cold, then that would be difficult for you. You can see this is the farm, and down there is a valley. Looks amazing. Wow, freaking amazing, man. Let me show you more from that top of the hill. And you will see these kind of mushrooms grown over here. And don't touch that, it's poisonous, can be lethal. My shoes are wet now. I didn't brought my waterproof shoes, but for you guys, to show you the view, I don't feel any I won't be, oh my god. Now this mountain is 2,500 meters above sea level. You can see the view. Oh my god, looks pretty amazing, man. And this is the most beautiful view, because here you can see it's all clear, and there you can see all the fog and all the mountains, and basically these are clouds. They have too much water content in them and can rain any moment. You can see that hotel, that restaurant. Earlier there were so many clouds moving above that. Now it's all clear. In matter of half an hour or few hours, you can see different weathers over here. So if you like the video, guys, please give a like and subscribe and share with your family and friends, so they can also enjoy the videos you are enjoying. And this is Fagu, ultimate beauty. And this is not very touristy place. It is after Kufri. If you coming from Shimla, it's not very expensive also, so better option if you want to come in the summer vacations. So it's all for the video, guys. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Take care and bye bye. I'll show you some time-lapse footage also. I have just recorded a time-lapse video, and more videos will be coming of the roads also, if you want to see the roads, and more beautiful views coming this week on the weekend also. So take care, see you.